Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum and Near protocol. That was requested a lot. If you want to request a cryptocurrency, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll look at the technicals for that cryptocurrency or the stock. So let me know the ticket down below. Hit the subscribe button, join nearly 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. And in my opinion, what I'm seeing in the markets at the moment is there's still a lot of volume coming into Bitcoin, and a lot of volume coming into Bitcoin is a good thing. Volume predicts price. My thinking is that Russia and a lot of people around the West and Eastern Europe, Ukraine, Russia, they're seeing these sanctions, they're seeing these closures of bank accounts in Canada, and they know their money's not safe in the old traditional banking system, so they're coming into Bitcoin. And that's a very good thing. In the short term, I expect big bullishness because of the amount of money that's coming into Bitcoin and volume. The only issue is later there could be problems with the sanctions because Russia's using it, the billionaires are using Bitcoin and crypto to get around the sanctions. So that we need to keep it in mind. But in the short term, I do expect big pumps on Bitcoin because of all this money flowing in from people escaping the traditional banking system. And that's what we've been talking about for a long time. This Russian-Ukraine crisis, this war could actually set the stage now for a big transition from the old traditional systems into the new Bitcoin cryptocurrency system. So this is a big moment for all the crypto as well. We pray for everyone in Ukraine. We don't want anyone to be going to war. Your goal is peace, happiness, relaxation, being relaxed in your body, being relaxed in your mind, enjoying your time. Everyone around, I've traveled nearly the entire world. I've met people everywhere. If you've been following my videos, you've seen just in a few years how many countries I've been to. And everyone around the world, when I speak to them, they all want the same thing. They want love, they want happiness, they want family, they want kids. They want an amazing relationship, they want money, they want abundance, they want food, they want shelter, they want to enjoy their lives. Everything else is brainwashed into you. If you're attacking someone else, if you're killing someone else, if you're fighting someone else, this is because of your brainwashing from youth, from the governments, from TV. So don't let that affect you too much. Remember, just relax into your body, wish peace on everyone, enjoy your life as much as possible. You're not guaranteed tomorrow. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. To the technicals and Bitcoin on the 4-hour. Let's check out the 4-hourly. Actually, let's go to the daily first because we want to see the overall picture. The stochastic was trying to turn down. If you're looking at this and it seems overwhelming, you can learn about it in the crypto course. You can join 6,000 of my students. So we have a lot of volume, all-time high. That spike of volume on this day when the war broke out with Ukraine was the biggest spike of volume ever before in Bitcoin. 191,000 Bitcoin was traded in one day. And what that created, I talked about this in previous videos, is a double bottom. And a technical double bottom that's very accurate. We have a double bottom there. And a double bottom, to be considered an accurate double bottom, needs to have huge volume on the bottom spikes so that each of these candles is one day. So when we had this spike here, that was one bottom and with accompanying massive volume. And then the next double bottom, the next bottom needs to have the same amount of volume or more. And that's what happened. We had the next bottom position, like double bottom, and it accompanied huge volume with more volume than the previous one. So that confirms a double bottom position, a double bottom formation. So from here, Bitcoin can really start to rise. We've got the stochastic trying to turn down, but in my opinion, it's going to head up. We've got a lot of volume. And this week was also kind of a hammerhead week, a bullish hammerhead. And it was a kind of capitulation candle that wicked back up, back into the positive. So that's very bullish on this double bottom. The EMA ribbons are still heading down, but they're trying to turn up. But they've been heading down since November. They came close to crossing in February, but then again turned to head down. But in my opinion, this could actually be the bottom of Bitcoin now with this double bottom formation. VPVR, we have where we're sitting right now is the highest amount of trading that's the most trading position on Bitcoin, 38,000. This is where the most buying and selling is happening on the VPVR. We have another one at the 42,000. That's going to be a major resistance point. The crypto guru bot has switched to a sell, but in my opinion, what's happening with these wars is affecting it, and I'm going bullish now on Bitcoin. I bought one Bitcoin, or I filled up to one Bitcoin yesterday. On the daily, the squeeze mob has turned gray, trying to head green now, and that's a big indicator. Money flow is turning from fully bottoming out to turning up to head up to be buying Bitcoin now. Money is starting to flow into Bitcoin. Squeeze mob is heading up. I think we're going bullish now on Bitcoin, and the bottom is actually in. Volume is coming in and picked up, and all-time high volumes we've been having the last days. We got that double bottom formation. We also have a bottoming formation here with a lot of volume. We have a lot of volume. Stochastic is turning up on the 4-hourly. It's quite oversold. In my opinion, it's looking bullish. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, it's heading up, and this video is too long, so I'm going to do Ethereum in the next video. So make sure you watch the next video, and then in about 6 hours, I'll make another video, or 4 hours. Stochastic is heading up on the hourly. Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish. I think we could get a breakout move here on Bitcoin, and this could actually be the bottom. So I'm going to start turning my millions of USDT now that I sold back in November. If you follow my videos, I'm going to start converting that into Bitcoin here. I think we're going bullish now. If you want to do a long trade as well, opening a trade here is quite bullish with a tight stop loss. You can set your stop loss below this major support at the 35,000, and the first major target would be up here, 45,000. That's a 2.25 ratio trade. You're risking $3,000 to make almost $7,000 unleveraged. 10x leverage will be $70,000. 100x leverage, it's $700,000. So here, in my opinion, Bitcoin could have bottomed out. And I'm going to show you my trades and what I'm going to do. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, if you want, you can scan this QR code, and then you'll be able to open this trading software that I use with Bybit. It's the best exchange. If you've been using other exchanges, I recommend using this Bybit exchange. Scan this with your phone, or you can go to the links underneath this video. If you go down underneath this video, you can find the link to Bitcoin trading Bybit. This link down below, you get a sign-up bonus of $4,100 when you sign up and start trading on Bybit. Also, smash the subscribe button. We're almost at 70,000 subscribers on your phone. Click this subscribe button and hit this thumbs up, and then it'll open this Bybit trading software when you sign up. I've got a long open on Bitcoin, a small one. It's only a $2,000 long. It's up 17%. I'm going to add more to this long, so I'm going to add another $1,000 to this trade. Open long on Bitcoin, opening, confirmed. It's now open. My take profit is set at 42,000 and my stop loss is 36,000, but I'm going to edit this to be the one that we put in this video. Stop loss 35,700, take profit 45,000. But there will be a big resistance at 42, so I'll let that take profit. So it's already set. This trade is now a $10,000 Bitcoin position. I also bought one Bitcoin yesterday. In this account, I have 100,000, almost 101,000 US dollars. USDT, I've got 43,000. I've got one Bitcoin, and I've got around $14,000 of Bit. I'm going to add more Bitcoin here. I'm going to be buying Bitcoin here because I do think we could have bottomed here. So I'm going to buy another half of a Bitcoin, 0.15 Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin, confirm. My Bitcoin order is there. It's the first one to be filled. Oh, it's moving down right now. Okay, I'm going to make it into a market buy because I think Bitcoin could go on a run here. I don't want to miss out. So I'm going to make it a market order. And you can learn this in the crypto course, how I do trading. I'm going to buy half a Bitcoin. Confirm. Buy Bitcoin. Market order. Boom. I just bought half a Bitcoin. Now I have 1.55 Bitcoin, $60,000 of Bitcoin. I've got $21,000 of USDT. And I'm going to move money from my other accounts and start buying Bitcoin as well in multiple accounts. So I'm going bullish on Bitcoin now. I think the bottom could have been in for Bitcoin. Also, these are some comments. You definitely warned me of the drop. Thank you so much. Please keep up the amazing work. I didn't listen to you and sell my portfolio when you warned us and I got effed. Again, you can scan this code. Just open your camera on your phone and then point it at this screen and it will scan this code and then it will open the Bybit trading software. Also, if you want to donate to the a Ukraine charity, you can scan your phone using your Bybit or Binance account, scan this QR code with your phone, and you can donate to this Bitcoin wallet address. I'll post the wallet address also in the description and the pinned comment. I've been helping quite a few people getting out of Ukraine. So if you want, this donation link is to Dr. Jovan. He's Ukrainian. He's a neurologist and a doctor, and he's been helping a lot of people evacuate Ukraine. The Bitcoin address is down below. If you want to deposit Bitcoin, feel free and help as many people they're going to provide food, provide medicine, and get people out of Ukraine. So that's what's happening with Bitcoin. Those are my trades. I'm going to start converting a lot of my USDT now. I've got USDT, millions of it in different places. I'm going to start converting that into Bitcoin now because I do think this bottom formation could be in. But I'm not going to do it all at once. I'm going to start laddering in. So right now I bought around one Bitcoin or half a Bitcoin. Yesterday I bought half a Bitcoin, so now 1.5 Bitcoin. But I'm not going to just go put all my money into Bitcoin in one hit. But here I'm going to start laddering in. I'm going to do 10% lots each month or even more. But I have quite a lot of capital that I'm going to be moving into Bitcoin now, because if we're not at the bottom, we're very close to it. If it does come down to 29K, I'm going to move also more. But I'm going to start moving my Bitcoin in dollar cost averaging and buying a lot of it now. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. Be peaceful. If you're in a war zone, get out. There's no need to die for any reason fighting other people's old politicians' wars. laws. We need a new rule around the world. All politicians should be under 50 years old. I think that's a smart move. All these old dinosaurs need to get the fuck out of office. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.